Yes, this is one of 50 2021 $30,000 Honda CBR RRR SP Fireblades. And our shop just so happened to get one. Now, everything on this bike is aftermarket and it's a full track bike. We're gonna do a quick walk around. I haven't washed it or done anything to this bike. It's been actually sitting in the garage for 3 months collecting dust. But it's starting to get warmer out, so I want to clean it up, make it look great. And what can I do but put some shine armor on my bike? So let's do a quick walk around of what it looks like now, and I'm going to show you how to use the product. So I just want to get a picture of all the dirt, like the bugs that are smushed. You know, you can see all the crap on the vehicle before I do the miraculous spray. You know, she needs a little bit of a wash. A little bit of a wash. Now, so every time I ride somewhere, an event, or I do anything, my girl picks up dust, dirt, sometimes bird poop or bugs that get squished, just like what's on there, what I showed you right now. But I mean, like, how am I supposed to wash my bike at the event or when I do the meetup? Well, I don't have to. You can get this real little bottle of shine armor and a cloth and just put it in your bag or carry it in your pocket or something, or put it in the seat compartment of your motorcycle and just spray it on, wipe it right off with this beautiful, nice polishing cloth that they gave me too, and my favorite color, purple. Thanks, guys. So we're gonna go ahead, shine her up, and take an after picture. All right, everybody, so we just got done finished washing the Fireblade here. So now we are going to apply the Shine Armor Spray Wax Quick Coat. So you get this little bottle and this beautiful, and you just spray it on, and it's gonna make it shine. Whew. Man, she so shiny right now. We gotta finish this with sunglasses on. Oh. Now let's get in here and take a better look. All right, so let's inspect the two sides. So I did not clean this side, but you can obviously still see all these little watermarks, all this little stuff where it was drying, unclean, dusty. Just doesn't have that pop. But now look at this side. Ooh-wee, and she pretty. Look at that. Look at this. Terrible and dull. Now look how shiny she is over here. My goodness. This makes me want to take my bike out and just sit next to it. She looks so good. The side we did not do, not very shiny. Not very shiny at all. And bam! The side we did do. Look, you can see all the metallic glitter. Look at all that glittering. You cannot see any of that glitter on the other side. And I love this satin look, you know? She looked like showroom finish. Dang, that girl looks good. Thank you, Shine Armor. We appreciate you.